Greetings, my name is Prince from Prigma, and today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can use other people's video to make money on YouTube. Okay, let's say you do not have access to the tools that you can use maybe to record your own video and edit your own video, but you still want to make money on YouTube. Guys, there is a way that you can do that. Very easy, and it's very easy to do. So I will show you guys simple steps on how to do that. So the only thing, guys, that you need, it might be a laptop or your phone, and then you'll be able to follow on this. So here I'm going to show you the simple steps. So you are supposed to log into YouTube, and then when you're on YouTube, what you just need to do is you need to type here on let's say I'll just type uh, let me just find any name. Okay, funny videos right here, and then you search on that funny videos. So all these are funny videos here which we are seeing here with 29,000 views and so forth, right? So all you just need to do, this is a funny video of 97 million views or so. So all you just need to do is you see, after searching for the name funny videos, I'll do that again, search funny videos, and then you go to this option. You see there is an option for filter at your top left corner, so you press that option to filter, and then after pressing the option to filter, you see all these options. You filter with hours, day, and everything, but all we need to do, guys, is you need to come to this option where it's saying Creative Commons. This Creative Commons, it means the owner of that video allowed other people to reuse his or her video on YouTube or on any other online platform. So here I'm going to click on that option. So this is what we are getting here. All these videos, we are allowed to reuse them. We are allowed to reuse all of these videos. So to check if you are really allowed to reuse the video, I'm going to open this video to check if it's 100% allowed. So if you click on this option here, it's going to start playing. So I'm going to stop it from playing, and then you scroll down. There's an option for show more. You click on that option, and then you scroll down, and then you see here it's saying license, Creative Commons attribute license, reuse allowed, right? So you can go ahead and you can download this video. So to download your video, simple ways, you just right click on the video, and then you go to copy video URL like this, and then here you just type or go to another website or application which you can use to download. So you just type y2met here, y2met.com, and then you'll be able to download your video there. So you copy the URL there on your YouTube, and then on this option you paste your URL, and you see it's now allowing you to download your video. And then after you just click download here, okay, so you choose what you want. If you want high quality, I normally download it on this quality, so I just do this, and then automatically it's converting the video for downloading, like you can see here, and then now you can download. I don't want to download this video since I'm not going to reuse it. So this is how you do, and then after that you can simply go and upload your video again. So if you don't know how to upload your video on YouTube, I have a video or that I've recorded already on how to upload a video on YouTube. You can simply go there and check on that video. I'm going to put a link on the description so that you get easy access to it. So this is it, guys. This is how you can reuse your video and make money on on YouTube. Thank you for watching. This is Prince from Prigma. May you kindly have a wonderful day. Okay.